Hello everybody, hope you enjoyed my previous video on the Swift Boat Patrol Craft Fast. Turned out to be a pretty good build. Today I'm going to attempt to build the lower hull and display stand, which is an optional set of instructions that come with the manual. Here's page 53 of the instruction manual. There's a write-up on the lower hull build. Obviously they didn't send the parts, you had to get them ahead of time. They released a list early for this. That's what the build should look like at the end. There's all the parts that I got off of Bricklink. A couple of propellers in the bag there. All kind of parts. I'm going to go ahead and start separating the parts and doing the speed build. Here's what the bottom looks like once it's applied to the Swift boat. You'll notice there are a couple color deviations in there. I did order all these parts with the ability to go new and used on Bricklink, so some of them have a little aging showing on them. There was a piece earlier in the build that had some white on it I didn't clean off. I did find one problem with my order of parts from Bricklink, where the shaft for the propeller on the bottom right there was a slight deviation of the part that was a little longer, so I had to borrow that part off of my Sherman, I think it was. That's why it's gray. But all in all, it was a good build. Interesting how they had it all connect on the bottom of the boat. I'll put it up on the merry-go-round so you can see it on the stand. Hello everybody, so here's what the Swift boat looks like on the stand with the lower hull added to it. Designed pretty well as far as the below the waterline build went. I think I like it better this way. Was really nice of Brickmania and Dan Siskin to include the instructions and the parts list for this part of the build that you could do optionally, or bonus as they called it. Also allowed it to keep the kit a little cheaper for you. I'll have to look up and see how much I ended up spending on all the additional parts, but turned out really nice, minus getting the wrong shaft in for the one side of the propellers there. I'll get one on order. Hope you guys enjoyed the speed build of the lower hull. As always, thank you for watching, and have a good day.